First question. If you divide 60 by 0.5 and then add 10, what will be the result? Options: 110, 130, 140, 150. Option B is a correct answer. Now let's see the solution of this question. So if you divide 60 by 0.5, so that means they are saying 60 divided by 0.5. 0.5, we can write this as 5 over 10, isn't it? So let's write, instead of 0.5, we can write 5 over 10. This we can write it as times 10, isn't it? So if you cancel these two, then you will get 60 times 2 is 120. And then add plus 10. For this 120, you need to add plus 10. So 120 plus 10, which gives 130. So option B is the correct one. Let's go for second question. My brother had 8 eggs. He broke 2 eggs, fried 2 eggs, and ate 2 eggs. How many eggs are left? Options: 4 eggs, 6 eggs, 2 eggs, 5 eggs. Option B is the correct one. It's time for solution. So what's the question? My brother had 8 eggs. That means he has 8 eggs. So from 8, how many he used? He broke 2 eggs, fried 2 eggs. So he broke these 2 eggs. Then using these 2 eggs, he fried those 2 only. And he ate these 2 only. That means he used only 2 eggs from 8. That means if you subtract these 2 from 8, remaining is 6 eggs. So option B is the correct one. Go for the another question. A curd of length 16 centimeters is drawn in a circle of radius 10 centimeters. The distance of the curd from the center of the circle is. Options: 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 root 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter. The correct option is 6 centimeters. Let's see how. So this is a circle. So if you draw like this and just name it as 0 and A. So this is our radius. So radius is 10 centimeters. Now draw a curd. This is the circle of the curd. So which is 16 centimeters. Now our question is the distance of the curd from the center. So this one they are asking. Let's see how to find this. After drawing this line, you made a right angle triangle. Since it is a right angle triangle, we can use a Pythagorean theorem here. For that, we need the side lengths. Just name it as B, just name it as C. So we know that OA length is 10 centimeters, which is radius. OB length is D centimeters. AB length is AC length is 16 centimeters. AC length we can write it as AB plus BC, right? So if the total distance is 16 means AB is 8, BC is 8. That means we are dividing the curd into 2 parts. AB length is 8 centimeters. Now we know the sides. Now using Pythagorean theorem, we are going to find the distance D here. This is a 90 degrees. That means this is the angle. If you stand there and look at opposite side, which is AB. So AB is our opposite side, which is 8 centimeters. D is our adjacent side and hypotenuse is 10 centimeters. 10 square equal to D square plus 8 square. We need to find D. That's why D square equal to 10 square minus 8 square, which gives 36. So then D equal to 6 centimeters. Let's go for the next question. If 8 mangoes cost $88, how much do 14 mangoes cost? Options: $171, $154, $160, $165. The option B is the correct one. Let's see the solution. 8 mangoes cost is $88. So 8 mangoes, $88. These are the mangoes. These are the dollars. To get the 1 mango, you need to divide both sides by 8. So then you will get 1 mango equal to $11. Isn't it? So here they are asking 14 mangoes. That means you need to multiply both sides by 14. So then you will get 14 mangoes. The cost is 11 times 14, which is $154. So 14 mangoes, the cost is $154. This is the right option. Let's go for the next question. What is the next number in the sequence below? 3, 4, 7, 11, 18. We need to find next number. Options are 13, 23, 24, 29. The correct option is 29. Observe the sequence. We have 3, 4, 7. So when you get 7, if you add 3 plus 4, then you will get 7. When you get 11, when you add 4 plus 7, you will get 11. That means each number is the sum of the two previous numbers, isn't it? So next number 18. When you get 18, you need to add 7 plus 11. Now to get the next number, we need to add the previous two numbers, which is 11 plus 18, which gives 29. So 29 is our correct answer. Let's go for the next question. How many different numbers can be made from these 4 playing cards? 4, 9, 3, 1. Options are 20, 24, 30, 28. The correct option is 24. Let's see the solution. Starting with the number 4, remaining we have 9, 3, 1. If you start with 9, so 9, 3, 1. If you start with same 9, so which is 9, 1, 3, isn't it? Same like that. If you start the second number as 3, then you have 9, 1. If you start the second number as 3, you have 1, 9. So you are starting with 4 only. Now if you, the second number, if you start with 1, you are left with 9, 3. If you start with another, again 1, you have 3, 9. So that means how many numbers you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So when you start with 4, you are getting 6 numbers, which is nothing but 3 times 2 times 1, which gives 3 factorial, isn't it? So if you start with 4, so you are getting 3 factorial. Similarly, if you start by 9, you are going to get 3 factorial. If you start by 3, you will get 3 factorial. If you start by 1, you will get 3 factorial. For the 4 playing cards, so you have to 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial. You can write this as 4 times 3 factorial. That means 3 factorial is nothing but 6. So 4 times 6, which is 24. Let's go for the next question. On one day, the temperature in London was minus 3 degrees Celsius and the temperature in Kingston was 30 degrees Celsius. What was the difference in temperatures? Options: minus 10 degrees Celsius, minus 27 degrees Celsius, plus 27 degrees Celsius, plus 33 degrees Celsius. The correct option is 33 degrees Celsius. Now let's see the solution. In the given question, they are asking the difference. Difference is nothing but subtraction. So in Kingston, the temperature was 30 degrees. So difference is nothing but subtraction. So and then in London, the temperature was minus 3 degrees. Minus times minus is nothing but a plus. So 30 degrees plus 3 degrees, which gives 33 degrees. The correct option is 33 degrees. Let's go for the next question. A number has increased by 20%. By what percent of the new number is decreased so that the number restores the original value? Options are 15.34%, 16.03%, 16.67%, 17.23%. The correct option is 16.67%. Let's see the solution. What the question? A number has increased by 20%. So first, let us assume a number as A. 20% is increased. First we see 20% of this number. 20% is nothing but 20 over 100. If you cancel, then you will get A over 5. A number has increased by 20%. And what percentage of the new number is decreased? So when you get the new number, new number, this is the increase percentage, which is a over 5. So increase is nothing but plus. So if you add this, you will get 6a over 5. This is the new number. So for this new number, you need to find out what percentage of the new number is decreased so that the number restores the original value. That means you need to subtract with original number, which is a. After taking LCM, then you will get a over 5. This is the number. Now we need to find in percentage. To find the percentage decreasing, you need to divide decreasing number, which is a over 5, divided by increasing number, which is 6a over 5, times 100, isn't it? We are finding the percentage of decreasing. That's why you are taking first decreasing number divided by increasing number. Now you have to do this calculation. You will get a over 5. This 6a over 5, we can write this as 5 over 6a times 100. This 5 and this 5 gets cancelled. This a and this a gets cancelled. So then you are left with only 100 over 6, which is nothing but 16.67%. Let's go for the next question. If 6 pence costs $70, how much do 9 pence cost? Options: $115, $105, $108, $95. The correct option is $105. Let's see the solution. The given 6 pence cost $70. So 6, these are the pence, these are the cost. For the 6 pence, how much dollars? $70. For 6 pence, $70 means for 1 pen, you have to do 70 divided by 6. So for the 1 pen, 70 by $6. We need to find 9 pence cost. So that's why you need to multiply both sides by 9. So then you will get 9 pence. So 70 over 6 times 9. 3 times 3, 3 times 2, and 2 times 35. So 35 times 3, which gives $105. So 9 pence cost is $105. Let's go for the next question. What is the half of a quarter of 16,000? Options: 3,000, 2,000, 1,500, 2,600. Option B is the correct one. Let's see the solution. So what they are given, what is the half of a? First they are giving half of, and then half of a quarter. Quarter is nothing but 1 over 4. Of is nothing but multiplication. The number is 16,000. If you cancel this, you will get 4,000. Again, if you cancel with 2, then you will get 2,000. So the result is 2,000. How many questions did you answer correctly? Share your score in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.